Make a great choice today with the 2017 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering. Come take a test drive today.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used Vehicle Program. It's the smart choice.